Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Splurge. After months of saving every penny, she finally decided to splurge on a luxury weekend getaway. Splurge. After months of saving every penny, she finally decided to splurge on a luxury weekend getaway. Substantial. Even though it was a major splurge, the hotel offered a substantial discount for off-season bookings. Substantial. Even though it was a major splurge, the hotel offered a substantial discount for off-season bookings. Scatter. A substantial gust of wind began to scatter the autumn leaves across the empty park benches. Scatter. A substantial gust of wind began to scatter the autumn leaves across the empty park benches. Forte. Organizing files is not exactly his forte, as he tends to scatter his paperwork all over the office. Forte. Organizing files is not exactly his forte, as he tends to scatter his paperwork all over the office. Rest assured. Public speaking is her forte, so you can rest assured that the presentation will be a huge success. Rest assured. Public speaking is her forte, so you can rest assured that the presentation will be a huge success. Commendable. You may rest assured that your commendable efforts to improve the local community have not gone unnoticed. Commendable. You may rest assured that your commendable efforts to improve the local community have not gone unnoticed. To bash in. While his bravery was commendable, it was unnecessary to bash in the door when it was actually unlocked. To bash in. While his bravery was commendable, it was unnecessary to bash in the door when it was actually unlocked. Mingling. The police had to bash in the gate of the club where the suspects were mingling with the crowd. Mingling. The police had to bash in the gate of the club where the suspects were mingling with the crowd. Token. While mingling at the charity gala, each guest received a small silver token of appreciation. Token. While mingling at the charity gala, each guest received a small silver token of appreciation. To hit the spot. He gave her a gift token for her favorite cafe, where a hot white chocolate always managed to hit the spot. to hit the spot. He gave her a gift token for her favorite cafe, where a hot white chocolate always managed to hit the spot.